Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to sum a column in Notion for 2025, quickly, easily, and without any confusion. By the end of this short guide, you'll know how to set up a table, add number properties, and calculate a sum, so you can instantly keep track of budgets, to-do points, or anything else where totals matter. Let's jump right into it. First things first, to sum numbers in Notion, you need a table or database to work with. Start by opening up the Notion page where you'd like your data to live. Type /, that's just the # key on your keyboard, and start typing table. You'll see Notion suggest a few options like table, full page, or table inline. Choose whichever setup fits your needs. If you're organizing an entire page, go for full page. If you want it embedded in a bigger document, inline works super well. You can also use a database if you're working with something a bit more complex, but for most people, a basic table will do the trick. Now, on to the next step. You'll want to add a number property to your table. This is essential because Notion treats different types of columns differently: text, dates, checkboxes. But for summing things, you need a column set to number. Simply click the plus sign at the top right of your table where you'd normally add a new column. In the drop-down, pick number as your property type. To keep things clear, give the column a name that matches what you're tracking, like expenses, hours, or score. Once your column is set up, start adding values. In each row, click into the number cell and type in the value you want. This could be anything. Maybe you're logging daily spendings, tracking the number of steps walked per day, or adding up project hours for your team. Don't stress if you make a typo or need to change a number. Just click the cell again and update it. Notion will handle the calculations as soon as everything's entered. Now comes the exciting part: getting the sum. Click into any cell in your number column. You'll notice a little drop-down arrow appears at the bottom of the column, or sometimes in the column menu. Click there, and you'll see an option labeled Calculate. Go ahead and click Calculate, and a sub-menu will pop up with several math options. More than just sum, actually. You'll see choices like average, min, max, and more. But today, we're focused on sum. Select Sum. And just like that, Notion will instantly display the total at the bottom of your column. This feature is incredibly powerful, especially if you're working with budgets, tracking group scores, or need to keep a running total. It saves tons of time over manually adding things up with a calculator or in your head. If your list grows or changes, Notion will update the sum automatically, so you can set it and forget it. If you don't see the sum showing right away, don't worry. Sometimes you need to scroll to the bottom of the table for the calculation bar to appear. Or click the calculation option again to refresh it. And remember, you can always change the property type or tweak your numbers if things don't look right. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to sum up any column of numbers in Notion 2025, making your data instantly more useful and easier to manage. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, just leave a comment below. I try to reply to everyone. Make sure to subscribe for more Notion tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.